In Forex trading, premium and discount zones are based on the principle of equilibrium. The equilibrium point divides the price range into two zones. As a trader, you want to always buy at a discounted zone or sell from a premium zone. How to determine a premium and discount zone? To determine these zones, you can use the fib tool and custom it to show only the 50% level. Above the equilibrium, we have the premium zone where smart money looks to sell. Below the equilibrium, we have the discount zone where smart money looks to buy. For example, in this uptrend, price retraces into the discount zone. This is where smart money enters their buying positions. The same principle applies in a downtrend, but in reverse. The premium zone becomes the sell zone. Trading in premium and discount zones aligns you with institutional strategies. In our next video, we'll discuss the Wyckoff's theory. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and happy trading.